In Miss Jaminson's class, Landon Looper and Jace Robbie. In Mrs. Snyder's class, Amy Rowley and Andy Conster. In Miss LeBourg's class, Dalen Brogow and Ella West. In Miss Campbell's class, Kyle Dar and Kinley Wolf. In Miss LeShirley's class, Ben Edgell and Aurelia Strength. In Miss Wyman's class, McKinley, Bogow, and Mackenzie Tower. In Miss Vessel's class, Sophie Hinther and Harper Hill. For third grade, in Mrs. Noble's class, Peyton Masello and Liam Ames. In Mrs. Efi's class, Addison Rowley and Ian Simpson. In Mrs. Medford's class, Finley Lancaster and Kennedy Lopez. In Mrs. Esri's class, Ariana Terry and Zane Brummel. In Mrs. Burns' class, Finley Heckrod and Willie Holmes. In Mrs. Naird's class, James Brown and Michaela Allen. In Miss Skeptic's class, Gracie McAdams and Letty McMillan. In Mr. McDonald's class, Tara Rita. In Mrs. Gray's class, Andrew Hayes and Kyan Virgin. In Miss Margaria's class, Miranda Laird and Aiden Nichols. In Mr. Henson's class, Katie Green and Emma Reynolds. Miss Lehman, Sophia Vick and Kyrie Wood.
Integrity is doing the right thing even when no one is watching.
Integrity.
No matter how smart,
Talented, rich, or cool you think you are,
how you treat people tells all.
integrity is the key to all.
Integrity to me means that if you have a chance to cheat, even if you are next to the smartest person in class, you choose not to cheat. Show integrity.
say you got a package and it's not yours. You can keep it,
but it's not the right thing to do, and then you decided to give it back.
Having the character quality of being honest, reliable, and fair, that's what integrity means to us.
For instance, I was at a hotel and I was walking down the stairs and I saw a $20 bill. Instead of keeping it, I donated it to charity.
Keep your promise even if it takes extra effort. Never betray a friend's trust.
Do not gossip or talk badly about someone. Integrity. Real integrity means
Doing the right thing,
knowing that nobody's going to know.
whether you did it or not.
My hands are filthy. I better take my watch off.